Good evening everyone. Good evening from Almaty, Kazakhstan. Now we are on our way to one of the biggest malls in Almaty. And I forgot the name of the mall. Yeah, anyways, we will show you guys what we will be doing over there. Oh my god. Okay, see ya. Let's see. Oh my god, how big it is. Like from this merry-go-round to like this, like everything is like mega mall. Okay, we reached mega now, mega mall, and we are going inside. Yeah, this is only one part of the mall, and if you want to like visit every store, you need at least one day like to roam around the mall. There is one ice skating place in Delhi, and just like that there is also one in here, as you can see. Yeah, but then like here, like adults don't usually play around, only the kids play around and their parents come down. Yeah, but then like here, like only the kids are playing. And you can find, if you're in India and you really wanted to go for an ice skating, you can find one in Delhi. Yeah, I had been there before, and then like it was a nice experience. So yeah, I highly recommend it. And now we are on our way to have something. Usually I don't like KFC that much, but then like I always eat rice bowl and fries. So yeah, I'll show you guys what I'll be eating. And yeah, everything is written in Russian, so I don't know how to read it, but anyways I can look at the pictures and then like decide, right? I don't know if we can find rice bowl over here. Yeah. Hi, excuse me, do you have rice bowl? Rice bowl, you don't have rice bowl?
I don't know Kazakhstan.
This is our order. The packing is almost like same in India, but then like only the difference is the bucket. The bucket looks different only.
Surprisingly, there's no rice bowl.
Yeah. Ujla, how's the taste? Is it better than India or like?
Rate?
Yeah, from 1 to 10. 9.5. But then like which is better? Indian burger or like Kazakhstan KFC burger?
This is better.
You think like this is better? Okay. Ujla, one big bite. 1, 2, 3. Oh, we reach. Oh, we reach heaven. Just kidding, guys. Okay. First, we are going to do some grocery run for the home, and we will buy what we want later. Okay. Anyways, I'll do a haul later. Okay. So I'm not going to shoot what we'll be buying inside. Yeah. Now we reached the meat section, and okay, I'll show you guys how it is. Like you can see all kinds of meat over here. Red meat. Okay. Red meat. This is the white meat part. Oh god, the size of the vegetables over here are like, just I can't imagine. Like, is it like possible, or like is it organic or something? Like, okay, this is onion. Okay, the size of the onion is really big. And then wait, I'll show you the size of potato. You'll be shocked. Look at the size of potato. Oh my god. Will I eat this potato? No, I wouldn't. Even if I eat it, I feel like I'm eating something not original or something. I don't know. All the vegetables over here like feel so artificial and all. Like I don't get the feeling of organic. Is it okay? Yeah, because like everything is so big in size and all. I can't even imagine. Yeah, chemical. Dr. Lai, is it Why is it? Why is all the vegetables and fruits over here so big in size?
Commercial purpose.
Ah, okay. Maybe that is the reason why like they all have like giant. Why they are like built very giant. Yeah. Okay. Okay, guys. Now I'm back in my room, and I want to do a haul like what we bought there. We didn't buy any clothes over there because we are getting very late as we went there very late. So yeah, without talking much, I want to show you what I bought. Mostly we did like grocery shopping and we bought some snacks and chocolates. So yeah, I'll show you. Okay, first, I love this chocolate very much. Like I had it before and like it tastes so good. Okay, so me and my younger brother bought this one, mega big chocolate, the big size one, and chips. In here, like in Kazakhstan, you get all different kinds of chips, and you get like chips which are like non-vegetarian. So we bought this one, the barbecue one, and a meat one, the Lay's meat one. Uchula, what is this flavor? The barbecue or like what? Is this also barbecue? We also bought a barbecue one. So yeah, we bought 3 different chips and we'll show you later how it tastes. I mean like we will tell you later how it tastes, okay? So we bought this one. And over here you get different kinds of Yakult. And oh, my uncle recommended this one, pistachio one. He said that this is really good. I had like oats and nut one before and it tastes really good, really good. So yeah, we bought this one today. And I bought this one, that one, and Conchola bought this one, mango Yakult. This is more of like a juice and these are more of like a curd. So yeah, my younger brother bought this one and I bought this. And we bought some bread for breakfast, and also like we used to have bread with tea during the daytime. So yeah, we bought these 2 breads. This one is like oats and this is plain one. Okay. Yeah, and the juice over here, like just like we have real juice in India, they also have juices in these packets, and the juice are like really good. You can feel the taste of orange, and if you are having mango juice, you can have the taste of mango. And yeah, very less sugar and more of like a fruity taste. This one is cheese, I guess. This is cheese, right? You bought this one, right? Yeah, this is cheese, right? This is cheese and this is Konchok's favorite. And these are also cheese, but then like here, like it says like there is only 5% of fat on it. So yeah, cheese. And if you are like Tibetan or Ladakhi or something, like you know that we can make chura from here, like dry cheese, sweet one, like from here. Yeah, cheese. And these chocolate, the most one. I remember like I remember eating this last winter, and oh my god, these are my favorites. Like when you have one piece inside your mouth, it melts. So yeah, chocolates and Capri Sun. We bought different kind of Capri Sun, and I think like all the Capri Suns are same. So like I'll only show you one. In here, like the Capri Sun has like beautiful drawings so in here. And I know Thomas, I know you love Capri Sun a lot. I'll make sure that I'll bring some for you, okay? Yeah, Capri Sun. So yeah, this is the haul and that's it. So yeah, thank you for watching my video, and if you enjoyed the video or if you liked the video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.